The breeze of calmness, the aura of royals, the smartness of modernity. Come pamper yourself with an experience into a whole new world of pinnacle of private luxurious studio apartments. A mere 20-kilometer drive from Nashik. A majestic entrance from Trimbakeshwar Road. Divine Nature Homes. Grand entrance lobby. Fully furnished studios with modular kitchen including cabinets, vitrified tiles, spacious rooms, designer toilets and sanitary fittings, contemporary specifications. Vibrant atmosphere, where life becomes delightful. Rohan Enterprises takes pride in presenting Divine Nature Homes. Divine Nature Homes welcomes you to live your intensely desirable, magnificent moments, and to cherish them for a lifetime.